Ever wonder if there is a magic way to get the best answers from ChatGPT? While there is no magic formula, there are definitely ways to get closer to that perfect response. Let's dive in and find out how. A prompt is your way of starting a conversation with ChatGPT. It's your question or request that guides ChatGPT on what you are looking to find out. The quality of your prompt can really shape the response you get. The clearer your prompt, the clearer the answer. Let's talk about improving your prompts. Here is what you should always keep in mind. Number 1. Be specific. Being specific helps ChatGPT understand exactly what you are asking for. Number 2. Context is key. Providing context helps ChatGPT tailor the response more closely to your needs. Number 3. Focus on the goal. Clearly state your goal or what you hope to achieve with ChatGPT's help. Number 4. Be open to exploration. For creative or brainstorming tasks, craft prompts that invite a wide array of suggestions by inviting follow-up questions. So here it is. Better prompts lead to better responses from ChatGPT.
Subscribe to learn more such useful stuff.